In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online store using Wix eCommerce. Whether you're launching a business from scratch or expanding your existing one, Wix makes it easy to set up a virtual storefront. Let's dive in and see how you can do this step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Wix account by visiting wix.com. Once there, head over to the dashboard area and select your e-commerce website. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it by choosing a suitable template. The dashboard is essentially your command center for managing all aspects of your online store, so get comfortable navigating it. Next, it's time to add products to your store. Click on Store Products and then go to Add Products. Here, you'll have the option to add physical items, digital products, or services. Fill out essential details like name, description, and price. Don't forget to assign a SICU for inventory management and upload some high-quality images. If your products come in different sizes or colors, you can set up variants for each. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, make sure to save your product before you move on. It's good to manage your store's categories efficiently, so head to Store Products and then Categories to organize your items. This makes it easier for customers to navigate through your offerings. Setting up payment methods is crucial for processing your transactions. Go to Settings and select Accept Payments. You'll need to decide which payment methods you want to offer, like credit and debit cards, PayPal, or Stripe. For those who prefer cash on delivery, there's also the offline payment option. Be sure to follow the instructions to securely connect these accounts to your store. Don't forget to configure your shipping settings. Navigate to Settings and then Shipping and Delivery. Here, you can set shipping regions, determine rates, and decide on different methods. If you're offering local delivery, specify the areas you'll cover and include any delivery fees. Now, let's customize your store to align with your brand aesthetics. Head over to Editor and select Store Pages. This is your chance to personalize product pages, add banners or collections, and adjust fonts, colors, and layouts. Make the most of Wix's mobile editor to ensure your store looks great on all devices, ensuring an optimal shopping experience for mobile users as well. Managing orders efficiently is vital for smooth operations. Go to Store followed by Orders. You'll be able to track the status of each order, whether it's pending, processing, or shipped. Keep your customers informed with email notifications and handle refunds or cancellations when needed. Finally, use Wix Analytics to monitor the performance of your store. Simply go to Analytics and Reports to track sales, site traffic, popular products, and conversion rates. Regularly checking these metrics can help you make informed decisions to grow your business. And there you have it, a clear path to setting up your very own online store with Wix. Follow these steps and you'll have a functional e-commerce platform ready to welcome your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.